The Dornier Do 31 was an experimental German transport aircraft developed in the 1960s by the aerospace company Dornier, representing one of the most daring and forward-thinking aviation projects of the Cold War era. The aircraft was conceived in response to a specific military need: the ability to operate from damaged or improvised airfields in the event of a large-scale conflict, particularly in Europe, where traditional runways could be quickly targeted and destroyed. To address this challenge, engineers aimed to create a vertical takeoff and landing jet transport, a concept that at the time was almost entirely unexplored for aircraft of this size and role. What makes the Do-31 historically unique is that it became the first and only jet-powered transport aircraft capable of true vertical takeoff and landing, marking a groundbreaking achievement in aviation engineering that has not been replicated in operational service since. The design of the Do-31 was highly unconventional and technologically complex. It featured a high-mounted straight wing configuration and a robust fuselage optimized for cargo transport, but its most distinctive feature was its propulsion system. The aircraft used a combination of two Bristol Pegasus vectored thrust engines, mounted in nacelles beneath the wings, and 8 Rolls-Royce RB-162 lift jets installed vertically in pods at the wingtips. The Pegasus engines provided both forward thrust and partial vertical lift through vectoring nozzles, while the 8 smaller lift jets supplied the additional vertical thrust necessary for takeoff and landing. This hybrid propulsion system allowed the aircraft to perform vertical takeoffs, hover, and then transition smoothly into conventional forward flight, a process that required precise coordination and advanced control systems for the time. However, this configuration also introduced significant complexity, weight, and extremely high fuel consumption, especially during vertical operations. From a technical standpoint, the Do-31 had a length of approximately 20.88 meters and a wingspan of 18.06 meters, with a maximum takeoff weight of about 27,300 kilograms. It was capable of reaching a top speed of around 730 kilometers per h and had a maximum range of approximately 1,800 kilometers under normal flight conditions, though this range was considerably reduced when operating in VTOL mode due to the fuel demands of the lift engines. The aircraft was operated by a crew of 2 and featured a cargo bay designed to carry troops, supplies, or military equipment, reflecting its intended role as a tactical transport aircraft capable of rapid deployment in difficult conditions. Among the most fascinating aspects and curiosities of the project is the fact that the Do-31 was not just a theoretical experiment, but a fully functional prototype that successfully demonstrated its capabilities. It performed multiple vertical takeoffs, landings, and transitions between flight modes during its testing phase, proving that such an ambitious concept was technically feasible. The aircraft was publicly displayed at the 1969 Paris Air Show, where it attracted widespread attention and admiration as a symbol of cutting-edge aerospace innovation. Despite these successes, the program was ultimately canceled before entering production. The reasons for this decision included the aircraft's high operational and maintenance costs, the complexity of its propulsion system, limited payload capacity when operating vertically, and changing military strategies that reduced the necessity for such a specialized aircraft. In retrospect, the Dornier Do 31 stands as a remarkable example of technological ambition and experimentation. It pushed the limits of what was possible in aircraft design and demonstrated the feasibility of vertical flight for large jet-powered transports, even if it was not practical for widespread use. Its legacy endures as a pioneering milestone in aviation history, highlighting both the incredible potential and the significant challenges associated with VTOL technology, and firmly establishing it as the first true vertical takeoff jet transport ever developed.